Before we kick off the tutorial, it's essential to demystify a few terms. This instructional video revolves around establishing a liquidity pool utilizing Actuate and Bitcoin, also known as BTCB, within the PancakeSwap environment. You might be wondering why it's termed BTCB instead of BTC, this of BTC. This is because BTCB is a wrapped token. Wrapped crypto assets refer to tokens that are fully backed on a one-to-one ratio by an underlying asset, often originating from a different blockchain or platform. For instance, Bitcoin, or BTC, is native to the Bitcoin network. The innovation of wrapped tokens aims to build a bridge between disparate blockchain systems, facilitating the smooth transfer of value and functionality across diverse blockchain networks. Hence, when you transition into the Binance Smart Chain network, find a wrapped version of BTC, which is BTCB. Additionally, it's important to point out that we are operating with PancakeSwap v3. In this version, instead of receiving liquidity pool tokens upon creating a pool, you are assigned an NFT number. Plus, V3 mitigates the risk of impermanent loss due to its incorporation of the price range. Consequently, if a token's price dips below your set price range, the liquidity pool bars it from being bought at that depreciated price. With these terms clarified, let's dive into the video. The first step in creating a liquidity pool is ensuring that you have the necessary tokens in your wallet. For this tutorial, you need to have the Actuate, ACT, and Bitcoin, BTCB tokens in your mobile wallet. If you don't already have a mobile wallet, we recommend using the Trust Wallet mobile application. Once you have the Trust Wallet downloaded and set up, make sure it contains the two tokens, ACT and BTCB. Now let's connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. Open your mobile browser and search for, this should open the PancakeSwap webpage. As a safety measure, always ensure that the URL reads pancakeswap.finance to avoid phishing attempts. Once you're on the PancakeSwap site, click the Connect button, located in the top right corner. This action will prompt your Trust Wallet to notify you that you are connecting to a third-party application. Click on Continue in your wallet. After a few seconds, you will be redirected back to PancakeSwap, but this time, your wallet will be connected. Now we are ready to access the liquidity options. Now it's time to buckle down and get to it. The Trade Now button, usually located on the homepage of the PancakeSwap site, is your gateway to trading and liquidity options. Tapping on it unveils a myriad of choices, but for now, our focus is liquidity. By selecting liquidity, a fresh display page will appear. On this page, click the plus Add Liquidity button to establish your pool. Choosing a token pair means you're selecting two types of tokens that will be traded in your liquidity pool. Here we're using Actuate, ACT, and BTCB. The next step involves choosing this pair. Should Actuate ACT not appear, be not alarmed. What you need to do is simply visit www.actuate.bio, choose BSC scan, and copy their contract address. This you will then paste on PancakeSwap under the category of token pairs, and in no time Actuate ACT will become visible and be added to your list. What we will be focusing on next is the setup of the fee tier. It is advisable to go for 0.05% to promote trading activities. Setting a price range helps manage risk. A range of 10 to 20% is usually a safe bet. So, after you've chosen your token pair, set a price range between 10 and 20%. It's advisable to avoid full range to prevent impermanent loss. The deposit amount is the number of Actuate ACT BTCB tokens you're willing to contribute to the pool. After inputting the amount, click Add. Make sure to counter-check the details, and if you're satisfied, proceed to add the liquidity pool. This action triggers a smart contract call in your Trust Wallet. The wallet will display gas and the total number of Actuate ACT tokens for pool creation. Confirming the transaction means you're agreeing to the terms and conditions of the pool creation. Once you confirm the transaction, there you have it. You've successfully created a liquidity pool. Once confirmed, the pool is created and visible to all. To view it, simply return to PancakeSwap, look under Liquidity, and your newly minted pool will be there for all to see. The script section doesn't contain term ACT. Creating a liquidity pool isn't just a fun exercise, it's a way to take an active role in the decentralized finance world. By providing liquidity, you're able to earn fees from trades made within your pool. Furthermore, you'll have a say in the governance of the decentralized exchange. And if that's not enough, creating liquidity pools can even earn you additional rewards. But don't just take our word for it. we encourage you to join Actuate Biomedicine. Check their website to learn more, where you'll find more information, learning opportunities, and a community of like-minded individuals who are passionate about blockchain and decentralized finance. Join us today and become a part of our community. Happy pooling!